Well, check it out. I haven't had bacon since I've been here. This is, I guess you'd call Philippine bacon. I don't know. But I haven't had it since I've been here. So I'm gonna make me some bacon. Miles went out and bought this a little bit ago. I don't know. See how it works out. I got the heat up a little bit too high. Yeah, I do. He bought this sometime last week, I think it was. And it was, she put it in the freezer. Took some out. So I figured, hey, you know what I'm gonna make me? I'm gonna make me a BL, I hope we have tomatoes. Make me a BLT sandwich. So this is the bacon. In its raw state. And we're gonna try it out, see how it tastes. I don't know, it's not really cooking like bacon.
I'm cooking my bacon.
It's not, I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. Well, I'm cooking the bacon still. And so far this is already cooked a couple pieces. A few pieces, I should say. I think what the deal is they don't cure the bacon like we do, you know, smoke it or, you know, what do they call it, applewood bacon and stuff like that. And I don't think they do all that. I think it's basically they cut it and that's what you get. You know, no, I don't think they smoke it or anything like that. But I could be wrong, I don't know. But that's what it appears. A lot of fat. A lot of fat. If you can see it. See this one. I think it's got two strips of meat and the rest is all fat. So that's what it looks like so far. Like I said, I haven't had bacon since I've been in the Philippines here for over a year, so hopefully I'm not going to be disappointed. Well, I just threw the last two pieces of the raw bacon in the pan. And if you notice, the two pieces of these, of course you can see them, they got a lot more meat on them than some of the other pieces, but these are the two pieces that were on the top of the package where you could see. So, you know. But so far, like I said, that's the cooked bacon. This is the bacon I'm frying up. Well, I got the bacon all cooked up, and here's the end result. Now, I don't think it's like the United States bacon, which ain't no big deal. It's a lot thicker in width, a lot thicker in the thickness, but also, where's it at? I found one, and I'm like really like, what? There's one that has a bone in it, so I'm thinking, isn't I always thought that bacon was from the belly of the pig. I could be wrong. I'm not a butcher.
This is the belly from the bone.
But, okay, true. Okay, that's fine. But, where have you ever seen a bone in a belly? You know what I'm saying? But this might just be like the rib. But anyway, whatever. It doesn't matter. Found bone in it. I found a piece of bone in it.
What?
So, I don't know where that came from. So, I'm wondering, is this just meat? Pork meat that they sliced up and said it was bacon? I don't know. Like, I mean, it doesn't mean anything. My life ain't coming to it. This piece right here That sun is killing me. Okay, this piece right, what am I doing here? Oh, psst, hello. This piece right here reminds me more of bacon in the States. You know, this one right here. But I mean, hey, I'm not knocking it. It's still a way of bacon. What I think is the difference is, in the States, most of your bacon, or all of your bacon, is cured, either smoked, or like applewood, it's smoked. I don't think they do that here. I think they just slice it up and say, here, have at it. But
Now, you can buy also, before I can buy also small ham in Cagayan, in
Okay.
Tuguegarao.
But
But
like I
it's too
said-
salty.
yeah, well, they like their salt here. But what I'm gonna make, and it's not to show you how to make one, because if you can't make a bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich, I'm sorry. But the only problem is we have no lettuce. Miles was going to run down to the market, and I was like, no, don't go down to the market to get lettuce. I said, we're doing a Monday shopping. If we get lettuce tomorrow, we'll get it. If we don't, we don't. Life goes on. It's not like I eat a lot of lettuce anyway. So there is some pieces I don't know if I want to eat it. Like this one right here. Large majority of it is fat. But I got some pieces in here are winners. You know, I got this one here. That's pretty good. And this one here. Matter of fact, we're gonna get Mucky's approval on. Mucky and Moo Moo's approval. I'll give them one slice. Hey, Muck. Mucky. Mimi.
Meh.
Mate. Mimi. Yeah, I'm gonna give Mimi this piece.
Yeah,
Come here, buddy. Mimi. Me. I'll go all about it. I haven't met a dog yet that doesn't like bacon. So if they don't eat it, there's something wrong. Sorry, I'll be right back. Gotta get a napkin here. So I'm going to use, like I said, I'm not showing you how to make a BLT. If you don't know how, it's weird. But they got this bread here. It's not too bad. It's called American bread. It's not too bad. There's a bakery that makes it right up the road.
that's it.
Huh?
That's it.
Yeah. This is the bread. Got 2 slices. Like I said, I'm not going to sit here and show you how to make a BLT.
You add mayonnaise?
Yes, and also I'm going to use mayonnaise. And they got it right here. It's
Lady's
called
Choice.
Lady's Choice mayonnaise. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use the tomatoes that I use at the market. Yeah, they're not very big here. The tomatoes they use, like Jersey tomatoes, you know, these are just fine. They work. I need to get a knife. I'll be right back. Thank you. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry for leaving. And I'm using a knife. I'll make this. I said, if you don't know how to make a BLT by now, or a BTN, bacon, tomato, mayonnaise sandwich. I don't know about you, but I love a lot of mayonnaise. Something about a mayonnaise on a BLT or BTN, bacon, tomato, mayonnaise sandwich. Down with it. Like I said, I already got my pieces selected. These are pretty good sized pieces too. They're pretty good size. One there. That one. Like I said, this is Philippine bacon.
Should
Huh?
ask a piece of cheese also.
We don't put cheese on a BLT. Got my bacon going on there. Putting the tomato. I got the dog staring at me. Circling the wagon. Hopefully something drops on the floor. And there we go. Am I going to cut it in half? Nope. Now while I'm sitting there stuffing my face with that, Miles is eating her normal meal. She got vegetables. What's the vegetable?
Sweet potato leaves.
Okay, they call it sweet potato leaves. That's, and what else? What's
Sliced fish
that? She got sliced fish
and tomato.
and tomato, and believe it or not,
Rice.
rice. Some people think I'm making fun of about the rice thing. It's an on me, you know. It's just an ongoing joke between me and her. It's between me and her, and if anybody else is offended, I don't care. But I got my BLT sandwich going on here. Now I'm going to turn the camera around because, like I told you before, I don't like people watching me eat. I'm just very self-conscious, so I'll just shut the shut it off, and then I'll tell you how I think about the bacon. Everything else doesn't matter. The bacon. Now this is the first time I've ever eaten bacon since I've been in the Philippines, so let's see where it goes. Well, I've eaten it, took a couple bites out of it, as you can tell. Alright, there we go. And it's pretty good. I mean, this bacon's not bad at all. Now, it's not like the United States traditional bacon, but that's not a bad thing. I don't want anybody thinking, oh, why are you hating on their food? I'm not hating on their food. I'm comparing the difference. I still don't understand about the bone. I'm still, like I said, I think it's just ham that's been sliced up bacon style, I guess you would say. But it's not bad. I mean, it's not bad at all. Now, their bacon is a little bit more fattier than ours. And their bacon is a lot bigger than ours. And then I also noticed, I noticed when in the States when you cook your bacon, it shrinks quite a bit. This bacon doesn't. This bacon doesn't shrink. Or it does shrink, that doesn't shrink to a noticeable thing.
Because, you know why? It's like, the meat is less thicker than the one in US. The one in US very thin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's why when you start frying, just put it in a pan, immediately get shrink because of the thin. This one is, and remember, there's bone.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Some people could say it's kind of like Canadian bacon. Canadian bacon's like a slice of ham that they cook on a frying pan, but they call it Canadian bacon. But I don't know.
Like Spam.
No, Spam, no. Good. To be honest with you, I don't know anybody in the States that eats Spam. I don't know anybody that eats it.
Some of this Spam,
What's
they
that?
are from US.
Oh, the Spam cans are from the U.S. But what I'm saying is, I mean, there probably is. I shouldn't say this. But I don't really, okay, I myself personally don't know anybody that eats Spam, Just like, I don't know anybody who eats Vienna sausages. I think they don't.
Vienna sausage?
Ugh.
Some are good also.
I don't know anybody who eats that. But they're selling it, so somebody's got to be eating it, right? But I don't know anybody that does.
We have Vienna here.
Yeah, I know you got Vienna here. comes in a can, kind of like Spam does.
Is it?
Yeah. I do know one thing though. I did not think they had turkeys here. Live turkeys or dead turkeys, whatever. I didn't think they had them here. But a couple days ago, when we went on a walkabout, I seen a live turkey. It was a white one, and it was walking across the road. And I kind of had to take a double take, like, what? What? Huh?
Where?
Put that road that way. But it wasn't. It was maybe half the size of the turkeys that you see in the United States on turkey farms. It was maybe half of that size. It wasn't that big, and it was a male. It was a male. You can tell the difference between a male and a female turkey.
But still, you call that one turkey.
Yeah, well, it was a turkey. But they also said that if you took a dead turkey, it's already been cooked and everything like that, and you bring it back to the first Thanksgiving, the Pilgrims would have no idea what kind of bird that was, because there was no bird that big. But in the States, they put gross steroids and everything like that. Bigger's always better, you know. So tells you that that's not all natural.
The turkey that I know is like in Hong Kong. The boot is like almost like this.
Yeah.
The boot.
So well, I'll let you go, and
I continue enjoying my.
I'm gonna keep on eating my sandwich. And y'all have a great day. And remember, love yourself and love others, and take it easy. Love you. Bye.